Hello, thank you for joining me today. My name is Devon, and I am going to show you how to make buttons for your Canvas course. So I like to use Canva, but you can choose whatever um, website or app that you prefer to use. So for Canva, for example, I have this image, this template. I just chose a blank template, and you will pick whatever you want. For example, I will put in a red um, background and come down to my document, Word document, and insert a icon or picture, whatever. I have chosen this star icon. So I would click on it, right click and copy, and then come back to my Canva page. And then I would just click Control V and paste it there. And there you see my image is ready. I use this image for early finishers. I have a page for early finishers in my Canvas course. Okay, so then they would just click this button and it would take them to a page to work on activities for early finishers. Go to the top, put the title of your image. So I could put early finishers or whatever you want to call it. Click download right here. It will save it to your computer. And then you can use that. If you would like all of your buttons to be the exact same, then I suggest keeping that exact first image and you can make a copy of it, but I'm just going to do this real quick. Delete that image and then pick your next image that you would like to input. So for example, I'll just pick something real quick. Okay, so maybe pick a book if you want them to go to a page for books they can read, a video book they can read, or a video they could go to. Right click, copy, go back to my Canva and Control V, paste, get my image the size that I would like. And then also, if you click on your image, you can move it around. I like to make sure my image is lined up. And you see, as I'm moving around the pink lines that are coming, and right there showing it's lined up across. If it's going across and down, you know that both of them are lined up across and down on your image. Same thing, type in what you would call it. So for example, if I have a page to books to read, or to like a website like Get Epic, or whatever it is, you would make your button, download it so that they can click on that image and it will take them to where you would like for them to go. So go back to my page. If here's my welcome page set up, and they would just scroll down, and as you can see, I have made little buttons that they can use, and buttons are just clickable images for the students to work on. So for example, if they click on math, the math button, it will take them to my math page, my weekly menu board. I have a video showing you how to make a weekly menu board. If you would like to do that, I have one made for kindergarten first for the little students, so I put pictures, but you could also just have it where they come to the words or whatever. This one is going across, but I also made one going down Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, which I prefer because I think it'll be easier for the students just to go across and click on each activity for that day. So that is just a quick example of how to make images for Canva. They have tons of templates for you to choose